to Moments with Mandy.
Who's Mandy?
You.
I thought you were Mandy when you bent over the table and almost fell off.
My name is Mandy.
I'm sick.
There
I'm
you-
not insane. Don't drink that! Put that down! What are you doing?
This is how I drink my sodas. I want them to be able to see.
No one cares how you drink your soda. That's the last thing her mouth sees before it lets the bottle in.